Hi guys, in the chapter number 2 of 5 programming language in one course, we will discuss about input output functions in 5 programming language like Python, JavaScript, PHP, C Sharp and C++. These are 5 programming language that will be covered their basic concept in this one course. Chapter number 2, so these are different outline that will be covered in chapter number to input function in Python and its output function. Same like in JavaScript input output function, same like in C Sharp, same like in PHP and same like in C++. So these are different outline that will be covered in chapter number 2. From the next class we will discuss about what are the methods function that are used in Python for input and output function. Don't miss any lecture from this chapter number 2 because we learn many things, many important concepts from this chapter number 2.